What if I told you? The next Leica quietly redefined what it means to shoot with a compact camera. No flashy event, no bold announcement, just precision. Leica's Q lineup has always stood for something more than specs. It's about legacy, luxury, and optical obsession. But now, all eyes are on the upcoming Leica Q4, and if the rumors are true, this could be the boldest leap we have ever seen from the German powerhouse. And here's why you need to pay attention. Because if history repeats, and with Leica it usually does, then May or June of 2027 might just change the way you think about compact cameras forever. So if you're even thinking about upgrading in the next 2 years, or you just do not want to miss the most anticipated compact camera of the decade, make sure you subscribe my channel right now. And hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when Leica finally breaks the silence. Trust me, the fourth quarter might not shout for attention, but it will absolutely deserve it. Let's break it down, because the Leica Q4 is not coming with minor refinements. It is bringing serious upgrades that redefine the series. Starting with the sensor, Leica is introducing a brand new 70-megapixel full-frame B SICMOS sensor, an upgrade from the Q3's 60 megapixels. This is not just about resolution, it is about richer detail, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range that pulls more depth from every shadow and highlight. For street photographers and professionals alike, this sensor delivers what the Q series has always promised: maximum image quality without compromise. Now let's talk about video. 8K at 30 frames per second is here to stay, but now it comes with improved thermal management and extended recording time. You also get 4K at 120 frames per second, unlocking slow-motion footage with crystal clarity. And yes, ProRes 422HQ recording is fully integrated, offering editors a color-rich, high bitrate workflow right out of the camera. This is no longer just a photography machine. It is a serious hybrid tool built for creators who demand the best in both worlds. Autofocus is another area Leica has refined. The Q4 includes a next-generation hybrid system combining faster phase detection with real-time object and eye tracking. It locks on instantly and adapts intelligently, even in challenging light. Whether you're capturing fast-paced movement or subtle expressions, the focus stays razor-sharp. No hunting, no lag. And it gets even better. The lens, still the iconic Summilux 28mm f1.7, now includes new optical elements and coatings that eliminate flare, improve edge sharpness, and enhance overall contrast. Macro performance is tighter and more precise, allowing you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing detail. The Leica Q4 is not just about adding features. It is about elevating every part of the experience. From sensor to lens, every component is tuned for performance, clarity, and timeless Leica character. And this is just the beginning. Now let's shift to the experience. Because with the Leica Q4, usability gets a major upgrade. Starting with the display, Leica introduces a brand new 3.2-inch tiltable touchscreen LCD. It is brighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever before, making it easier to shoot in harsh sunlight or low angles without missing your frame. And unlike previous models, this screen is engineered with a multi-axis design, allowing both vertical and horizontal tilts, giving creators more flexibility during street photography or handheld vlogging. Then there's the electronic viewfinder. Leica has upgraded it to a stunning 6.5 megapixel OLED EVF. The clarity is breathtaking. No lag, no blackout, just a seamless, immersive view that feels like you are looking through a crystal clear optical window. The refresh rate has also been boosted, now supporting up to 120 Hz for ultra-smooth tracking, especially useful for fast-moving subjects or panning video shots. Battery life has seen a smart bump thanks to a redesigned high-capacity cell and an efficient power management system. You can now expect over 25% longer runtime compared to the Q3, enough to get through a full day of shooting without worrying about a recharge. And when it is time to charge, the Leica Q4 supports USB-C power delivery, meaning you can go from 0 to 80% in under 40 minutes using a standard PD charger. Build quality? As always, Leica holds nothing back. The Q4 body is crafted from a hybrid of magnesium alloy and Kevlar-inspired composites, offering rugged durability with a lighter feel in the hand. And yes, it is fully weather-sealed to an improved IP53 rating, so you can shoot confidently in dust, drizzle, or heat without hesitation. Every touchpoint, from the shutter release to the tactile dials, has been refined. You do not just use the Q4, you feel connected to it. And that's exactly what makes this camera stand apart. It is not just engineered, it is crafted. Now let's talk connectivity, because in today's creative world, how your camera connects is just as important as how it captures. And with the Leica Q4, that ecosystem is more seamless than ever before. The Q4 is equipped with the latest USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 interface, allowing for ultra-fast data transfer speeds, ideal for moving large 8K video files or batches of high-resolution stills in seconds. On top of that, you get full-size HDMI output, enabling real-time external monitoring and clean signal for professional video workflows. Whether you're in the studio or in the field, this setup means no bottlenecks, no adapters, and no compromises. Wireless performance has also been overhauled. The Leica Q4 features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, both industry-leading standards which deliver faster image transfers, stronger stability, and improved remote control functions via the Leica Photos Pro app. You can review shots, adjust settings, or even shoot tethered right from your smartphone or tablet without lag or dropouts. And here's something creators will love: wireless charging. The new redesigned accessory grip features built-in key charging support, so the Q4 can sit on a charging pad between shoots, no cable required. It is smart, clean, and completely in line with Leica's minimalist design philosophy. From instant cloud backups to fast tethering and wireless sharing, the Q4 has been built for photographers and filmmakers who live in a connected world. And unlike the past where Leica leaned more analog, the Leica Q4 fully embraces digital efficiency without compromising on craftsmanship. This is not a luxury item that stays in a showcase. It is built to move with you, sync with you, and respond the moment inspiration strikes. Now let's bring everything into focus, because when it comes to Leica, nothing is accidental. Their release strategy, their pricing, their pacing, it all follows a pattern. And if we read that pattern correctly, the Leica Q4 is arriving in May or June of 2027. Why? Because Leica has never rushed innovation. The original Q launched in 2015, followed by the Q2 in 2019, and then the Q3 in 2023. That's a clean 4-year rhythm not based on hype cycles, but on purpose-built upgrades that matter. And that same strategy applies to pricing. The Leica Q entered the market around $4,250. The Q2 pushed that to $4,995. Then the Q3 arrived at $5,995. It is clear with every generation, the price increases by about $1,000. Combine that with the Q4's sensor leap, video upgrades, build refinement, and connectivity boost, and you're now looking at a camera that will confidently launch between $6,500 and $7,000. But here's the key: Leica isn't pricing for specs. They're pricing for the experience. Owning a Q-series camera is about more than performance. It's about holding a tool that feels personal, intentional, and timeless. The price tag reflects not just the tech inside, but the philosophy behind it. And that's why this Q4 isn't just a product on a shelf. It's a statement for creators who know the difference between gear that works and gear that speaks to the soul. So now the big question is, the Leica Q4 worth the anticipation? Absolutely. And here's why. This is not just a continuation of a series, it is a culmination. A 70-megapixel sensor that delivers unmatched detail, 8K video with professional-grade codecs and real-time autofocus that rivals cinema systems, a sharper, brighter EVF, a touchscreen that adapts to your shooting angle, and a battery system built to power your full creative day. It is compact, yet uncompromising. Minimal, yet massively capable. And while other brands flood the market with spec-heavy releases that age within a year, Leica does the opposite. The Q4 is designed to last to stay relevant, not just because of what it can do today, but because of how it's built for tomorrow. Every element, from the magnesium alloy body to the upgraded Summilux lens, is crafted to feel like an extension of your eye, your hand, your creative vision. This camera does not ask for attention, it earns it. Quietly, confidently. And when it finally hits the market in 2027, it will not just live up to the legacy of the Q line, it will elevate it. So now it's your turn. Are you ready to shoot with the most refined compact full-frame camera ever made? Or will you wait and watch while others capture the moment you missed? Because make no mistake, the Leica Q4 is coming. And when it arrives, it will not be a surprise, it will be a statement. And if you have made it this far, you already know the Leica Q4 is not just another camera on a spec sheet. It is the future of compact full-frame photography designed for creators who demand more and refuse to settle for less. So here's what you need to do now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we are not done. The moment official details drop, specs, sample shots, unboxings, even head-to-head comparisons, you will be the first to know. But only if that notification bell is on. And trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming next. Because while the Q4 is exciting on its own, wait until you see how it stacks up against Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm in our upcoming breakdown. You think the Q4 is a game changer now? Just wait till you see who it challenges and who it leaves behind. So hit that bell, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and stay locked in because we are just getting started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.